This is something that is challenging to solve today without using AI agents and logic apps. So with that, let's jump in and take a look at using logic apps with a human in the loop scenario.
Now, before we dive into the logic app, let's talk about the business problem that this AI agent is going to solve. One of my clients today has an existing process that does a code translation before sending the data to the backend system. Sometimes this code translations get out of sync, or new resources are added and are sometimes missed in some of the systems. So currently today, when the process has an exception, a user needs to get involved to review how to solve the problem. Currently today, they will look up the attorney information using first and last name. All states have a publicly accessible website where you can look up attorney information. In this case, we're going to look up the bar ID of that attorney and update it either in our code translation tables or in our backend system. Sometimes we might have to update it in both. Once it is updated, we're going to reprocess the message. Now, this scenario happens a few times a month, and it takes about 2 hours for a person to get involved, research this, and solve this problem. So in total, I'm estimating they spend about 48 hours a year working on this problem. Now, that isn't a whole lot of time that is spent on this, but take a look at the amount of time I spent building the AI agent that does essentially the same thing, and it took about 4 hours.